Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Most welcome to Triangular Kamal Academy. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important topics from higher mathematics for the students of class 9 and 10. In the last few topics we have discussed is from algebraic expressions up to number 9. Today we are going to discuss from number 10, and number 10 there are basically three maths. In this content I will discuss number 1 and number 2, and this is the simplified. So we are going to start from number 1. This is number 1. The first one is given a square divided by a minus b and a minus c plus b square divided by b minus c and b minus a. The third part is c squared divided by c minus a and c minus b. Okay, first attention to the denominator of the fractions a minus b, a minus c. Actually this is not in cyclic order. B minus c, we know in cyclic order looks like if first one is a, then second one will be b, and third one is c. So a to b, b to c, c to a, not like a to c. So definitely it will like clockwise in the three letters a, b, c. That is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a, or a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. So definitely first we have to arrange all denominator in a cyclic order. Like when you see here a minus b, it's okay, but when you see here b minus a, then we have to take common minus 1 or minus, then this one will be a minus b. If you multiply this one plus minus minus a, then minus minus plus b. So in times of b minus a, when you take common minus, this one will be a minus b, which is in cyclic order. Okay, now give attention, this one is a minus c, so we have to change this one a minus c, and there is also a minus b, and there is also c minus b. So what will happen here if we take here common, like this one is a square, and take here minus common, then this one will remaining same, a minus b, and taking the minus common, so this one will be now c minus a. And then now second part, if we take here common, like b minus c remaining same, and taking minus common, this one will be a minus b, so minus will be here, and previous one will remain same. And then now similarly third at, doing third at, this one will be minus c minus a and b minus c, and now this one is now c square. And what we see here, a minus b, c minus a, b minus c, a minus b, and all are in a cyclic order. So now within the cyclic order, take LCM here. What we will see here, minus a minus b, this one will be, and minus b minus c and c minus a. Just taking LCM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all denominators, but this one will be LCM. Now do simple calculation. If you divide this one, minus ab and minus ca, minus ab and minus ca, there's only remaining b minus c. So this one will be a square multiply b minus c, and similarly this one will be b square multiply, and b minus c, a minus b will eliminate, only remaining a minus b. So this one b square will be like a minus b, and b minus element, this one will be c minus a. and similarly c square will be c minus a, and b minus c eliminate, this one will be only a minus b. So now do simple calculation. This almost we see here the three factors, but we have to calculate only the numerator part. So separately we will do calculation here, or we can do calculate here. Okay, now this one will remain same, a minus b and b minus c and c minus a. And so first fixed any one or target any one like b minus c or c minus a or a minus b will remain fixed. Then and other two part we will multiply to find the simple calculation. Okay, take here c square a minus b is fixed. Now do simple calculation, two parts. A square b minus a square c plus b square c minus b square a. Now take here common. Take here common. Which one is common? If we take here ab is common, there will be a minus b. We have to arrange here a minus b. So this one and this one will be a minus b. And if we take here minus c is common from others two part, this will be a square minus b square, because plus minus minus a square c, then minus minus plus, and previous one will remain same, and denominator part also remains same, a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. Now do simple calculation here. In the numerator part, what we see here, a minus b, there is also a minus b, a plus b, there is also a minus b. So take here common a minus b. This remaining part here ab, and here remaining part c multiply with a plus b. Then do calculation, minus ca, this one will be, and then this one will be like minus c multiply a plus b and a minus b. Already a minus b is common here, so remaining only a minus b is common, the remaining part is minus ca minus cb. So this one will be minus ca minus cb, and here remaining part only c square. So what we see here, this one is now same, a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. Now do simple calculation here, like you will get, if we do here calculation like this one, we can eliminate this one, or okay, later we will eliminate. Now this one is now a minus b, if you target here b, a minus b, b minus c, okay, take here common a, this one will be b minus c from the first two part. Then take here b, a is common, then this one will be b minus c, then now minus c is common, this one will be b minus c, like plus minus 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 plus c square, and then plus minus minus cb. And now denominator part will remain same, b minus c and c minus a. Now do simple calculation here, a minus b, here common one is b minus c, and remaining part here a minus c, and this one is now a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. What we see here, this is now same, we can eliminate, this is also now same, we can eliminate. So here remaining a minus c, here is also c minus a. So just now take common, minus, then this one will be c minus a converted with, sorry, a minus c converted with c minus a, and here denominator remaining c minus a. If we eliminate them, minus minus plus, and if we eliminate them, the answer will be 1. So after doing simplification, finally this answer is 1. Okay, finally what we want here. So in the give attention to the numerator part. A square b minus c, b square c minus a, c square a minus b. Finally we get the result here. If we take here minus common, so this one will be a square b minus c or c square. Okay, we write the formula here and we will apply this formula in previous next math. That's why we are writing here a square b minus c plus b square c minus a plus c square a minus b. So this is the result of, and just doing the calculation in the numerator part. Finally we get here minus a minus b and b minus c and c minus a. Just taking here common minus, the final answer will be. So this is the formula and we will apply this formula in the next maths. Okay, now attention to the number 2. Okay, number 2, a square, here given a plus b whole square minus ab divided by b minus c and a minus c. Second one is b plus c whole square minus bc divided by c minus a and b minus a. The final one is c plus a whole square minus ca divided by a minus b and c minus b. Now do here give attention as like as previous one. All denominators parts are in cyclic order or not? B minus C, this is not. It will be C minus A. This one will be A minus B. This one will be B minus C. If we consider here in cyclic order A, B, C. So in clockwise. So just we have to take common here minus. Okay. This one will be minus. This is same. B minus C and this one will be C minus A, just taking minus common. And what will happen here is square plus twice AB plus B square, then do subtraction 1 AB from twice AB. The final result will be remaining A square plus AB plus B square. Okay, give attention again, like A plus B whole square minus AB, a square plus twice AB plus b square, then minus AB. What will remaining here? A square plus AB and plus b square. Similarly, we will get here b square plus bc plus c square plus ca plus a square. Okay, now in the second part, if we take here common minus c minus a, this one will be a minus b. As like as first one, the result will be after doing calculation plus bc plus c square, and then now finally this one is now taking minus common, a minus b and b minus a minus b, b minus c, and this one will be c square plus ca plus a square. Now it's like as previous one. Now take here the LCM. This one will be now minus a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. After doing divide, there will be remaining only a plus b. This one will eliminate this one and this one will eliminate this one. So only remaining part is a minus b. So now do multiply with numerator part. A minus b multiply with a square plus ab plus b square. Similarly, this one will be b minus c multiply with b square plus bc plus c square, and this one will be c minus a multiply with c square plus ca plus a square. Now, dear audience, give attention to the numerator part. A minus b, a square plus ab plus b square is the formula of a cube minus b cube. So here we can write this one is a cube minus b cube is the factorization formula. Similarly, this one will be b cube minus c cube, and last one will be c cube minus a cube. And denominator part here, a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a will remain same. And what we will get here after doing simple calculation, b square, a square, plus a square minus a square plus c square minus c square, just remaining part is here 0. So a minus b, b minus c, and c minus a. So when the numerator part is 0 and denominator part is also any factor, so final result will be here 0, and this is our final answer of number 2. Okay, I am reviewing this message again. First you have to give attention to the denominator parts to taking the LCM, and if you see here there is no denominator parts in the factors, you have to find the factors. And when you give attention to the factors, first of all you have to give attention in a cyclic order. If the variable are in cyclic order, just take LCM, and if there is no in cyclic order, just taking minus here common, then find the LCM, then do simple calculation, you will get the final result. So in the number 2, our maths answer is 0. So I am going to leave the class, and thank you very much to enjoy the tutorial. If you have any questions, please do comments. Hopefully I am ready to give best answer to you, and see you again in the next tutorial. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.